This is a story of how we planted 50 exotic trees in our garden. It all started on the Cook Islands. We ate so many fruits there that we dreamed of an exotic garden at our home in Italy. We also buy as locally as possible, and this is almost impossible with exotic fruits. Finally, in the summer of 2021, we found a vivaio in Milazzo, in Sicily, that sold exotic trees, and since forest fires are becoming more and more common, we thought it would be the right time to plant 50 trees. We immediately made a list of the trees we wanted and went to pick them up. Although we actually only had space for 20 trees, we decided to buy 50 trees. Logic. So we started studying the trees to choose the perfect spot, because each tree needs different soil and sunlight. Some needs more and some less water. Some grow huge, some stay small. Some need netting in the winter, some don't like wind. To sum it up, it was really difficult. And now the backbreaking work began. But wait a second, this wasn't so smooth at all. Let me tell you the real story. So some of our plants were attacked by wild boars and we had to replant them. Others were attacked by ants. Many were knocked down by the wind, so we had to tie them up. One avocado tree was even cut into two. Two plants had the wrong soil, so we had to acidify the soil with lemon peel and lemon juice. When digging, we often came across construction waste, so we had to look for other places. And finally, there was the crucial problem. We have a problem right now, and the problem is called space. And we still have 26 plants to plant, and we haven't any place, so we are trying to find some place or to make some place for the plants. We have done a list, and we are gonna take some trees to our campagna here nearby. Okay, we got a problem here. We're gonna put a water system to the plants because we don't have the time to go every day and to give water. We're gonna plant our last trees now. We have 4 trees to plant. Here they are. And we're gonna put them in this. This is the last tree. It's a Lici tree. And we are done. 50 trees planted. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have also planting projects. And if you enjoyed the video and want to see more adventures like this and more projects like this, you can do that by subscribing to our YouTube channel and liking the video. And if you want to check out our new clothing collection from Sicily that is handmade and with no plastic, you can do that by clicking the link in the description.